This is a very inferior angle. I'm very sorry, my friend. I didn't have my tripod today because I was also not expecting to make anything, but I can't help it. You wanna talk about something? There has been some that's a nice house over there. There has been some miscalculations in my salary. That's what's up. And there is at least 100 euros missing. There has been some mistakes in the payslips before, so I know that sometimes the system can make such errors, and because of this also before the company has paid me back what they failed to give properly on the salary itself. And I haven't been checking my pay slips for a long time now. I just happened to check it again because it was suspiciously low. So I checked it, and yeah, there it was. There are hours that were not counted. And I spoke to some people about this, and I got a call this morning, and it was a very painful call to get through. I feel like I'm walking within the bushes of thorns. It was very painful to go through because for some reason I didn't feel like I was heard. And I really explained myself that I wouldn't go to you if I know that I was wrong. And another thing about this is that I use the same way of counting my hours on other pay slips before, and they were correct. The other pay slips. But now I was not paid properly for the proper hours that I worked for. So obviously I will say something, and then it became a debate. But I feel like it ended well because she said that okay, she will check it manually and all. But I'm like, it's not like I'm being disrespectful or anything. I understand that people can make mistakes, or the computer can make mistakes. It's just that I'm affected, of course. And another thing about this is that it is math. It's very direct. Also, this job is very direct. You work for how many hours, you put it, then travel time counted also, and then you work on another place, then you record the hour. It's very direct. It's very black and white here. That's why it's very visible when some hours are missing. It's math. The math speaks for itself. There's no room for personal opinions in here. And then she arranged a meeting and all, so we will gonna meet on the first week of May, and I'm not entirely sure why, because the math is already speaking. Earlier, while I was speaking to her, I felt like I was on the verge of a panic attack, because she is really insisting that there is no mistake. Yeah, that's the easiest way to say it. There's no mistake, nothing, everything is correct, la la la. So I'm like, in my head, do you mean that those hours of my life, the hours of my life that I gave in exchange of something that will buy me food and pay my rent, those hours of my life, nothing happened with them? They are just surrendered to some, and I didn't get anything in return. Just the idea of this, it's like it gave me the same feeling, almost the same feeling, just a little bit less intensity with that time that I lost my religion. But now, this afternoon, I'm surprised and a little bit scared of how calm I am with regards to this situation. I can also feel it now, how calm I am with the way I am telling the story. I feel so, I don't know. I don't know why I am this calm. I have never been this calm before in any stressful situations. I don't know. Do I still exist if I am this peaceful? Do I still exist if I feel this peaceful? Am I still human, my friend? Am I still human, or did that phone call break me in places that aren't retrievable anymore or repairable? I don't know. I'm not sure. But what I'm very certain of is that I have reached a deeper level of freedom. I remember earlier, I was walking as if I owned the road. I was walking as if I have my ancestors with me. I don't know how many thousands of them. I feel like I gave my ancestors some voice. Because I for sure am not the first one who experienced something like this. My ancestors probably experienced something worse with the Spaniards. And now, even after how many years, there is me again experiencing some hint of what they have experienced. So things don't really change that much. Still have to fight for, if I don't, do you know, have you heard of that saying that said something like, I hope the phone doesn't fly. Have you heard of that saying that says something like, if you don't speak about your pain, they will kill you and say that you liked it. And another point that I would like to say here is that just because I am of inferior circumstances of birth doesn't make my time less valuable than those who are born here. In the eyes of death, we're all the same. Doesn't matter if the person is a president, a dictator, an astronaut, scientist, the great mathematician Einstein. Where is he? I don't know, maybe exploring there somewhere. My time is just as valuable as anyone else. An alcoholic. I don't see myself above these people. It's just that we're doing different things. And the society is constructed in a certain way that made some people believe that maybe my time is not, or their time is, that there is a difference in the value of the time. There isn't really. Everyone's time is equally valuable as the next person. It's just that we do different things with it. But yeah, I'm still puzzled why I'm very calm. Calm enough to think properly and speak properly without shaking or being or feeling some kind of tension somewhere. What? Where is the tension? Where is the tension, my friend? I'm supposed to be feeling tension on my fingertips, on my throat, on my... what is this called? This part, I forgot. In here, especially in here, I'm supposed to be feeling tension in here, on my fingertips, on here, and on my legs. Where are they? God? Am I being showered by the grace of God? I don't know. I'm not feeling any tension, or I could even sing. I feel like I could even sing. I'm so relaxed and calm. What is happening in the human evolution? What is happening in the human evolution? I have never been this far in the evolution of a human being. What is happening? Everything feels more real though. The branches, the leaves, the wind. I feel like I can feel everything more vibrantly than compared to yesterday. But yeah, now I feel, thank you. Before I leave, I would like to thank you because I feel like I can exist the way I really want to exist despite when I am doing these things. It's getting cold. But thank you for listening, and I have to go now because I have some commitments. Thank you.